Okay, so colloidal silver and aloe vera juice. This is a brilliant way to take colloidal silver, and using the concentrate, it's very easy to turn drinking aloe juice. This is sweetened with cranberry. It can be a very bitter taste. I get these on Amazon, not too expensive at all. And I can turn that into highest grade laboratory made colloidal silver infused aloe juice simply by adding drops of this 8,000 parts per million colloidal silver concentrate. Sold by the Simple Truths Foundation, simpletruths.me.uk. Now, 20 parts per million is, you could say, a normal strength. I'd say maybe 10 ppm. If you want to see what the colloidal silver at 10 ppm looks like, this is laboratory made. True colloidal silver, so it's got a colour tint to it. I wouldn't normally store it in glass, but I keep this just for showing people and photos. 20 ppm is obviously twice as strong, but what I'm going to be doing from now on, I do this from time to time. I get through a bottle of this, and I have a capful in the morning, but it's been infused with this. So if I want that, that's 500 millilitres. If I want that to be 20 parts per million, I add drops until it becomes that strength. I go to simpletruths.me.uk/calc.php, see there on the screen, and I've worked out that I need 12.5 drops of this in order to turn this into 20 parts per million. So what I'll do, it's very dark. See how dark that is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. Okay, that's about 25 drops. And so that's it. If we want to see the colour of it, doesn't really matter. Oops, but you can see it's gone the golden colour. And it tastes fairly sweet, so that's all right. So the reason we do that is mainly because the aloe vera encapsulates the silver nanoparticles, the AgNP, silver NP nanoparticles. It coats them so that they can then pass through the gastric juices and get into the gut to do their work. My gut traditionally has been my weak point in my life. When I go to India, I have been to India many times. I nearly always get some kind of gut-related illness. So I'm quite aware of how amazingly beneficial colloidal silver can be for gastric issues. But sometimes the nanoparticles can't get through the gastric juices. So even if you're drinking regular colloidal silver, you probably will get better, but you won't get better so quickly. The other thing, the reason I remembered I got this bottle, I was looking at Twitter, amenonide. There it is on the screen. I think I said it right. It's to do with human immunity, and there's a lot of studies, or there are some studies that seem to be emerging, which are showing that aloe vera is actually something of a great health panacea in and of its own right. So you might want to just start having sips in the morning anyway. But definitely with colloidal silver concentrate. So you've seen how versatile this can be. This makes 8 litres. It's 10 millilitre bottle. It's currently selling for £30. Works out a few dollars per litre that way. You could pay, a lot more than that in the health food shop. And, aside from adding it to aloe, you could, for example, add it to aloe gel. That's got a few essential oils in it as well, a couple of other ingredients, but that's got colloidal silver concentrate in. And you could add it to soap bars, shampoo bars, and things like that. But I'll leave it there.